So from my previous videos, you noticed that I discovered that the main fuse on the new 23 CVOs have a protective rubber cover that just doesn't fit over that fuse. So I did some research and it turns out that fuse is called a JCase fuse. It's available in a tall version, but also a low profile version. So I wondered if I could obtain that low profile version and replace the tall one that's in there and allow that protective cap to fit. So I got on Amazon and found a low profile 60 amp JCase fuse. In Googling for some information about the difference between a low profile and a tall fuse, most articles say there isn't any difference. So I should be safe to switch these out, but we'll find out. So let's get that side cover off the bike and install one and we'll see what happens. So this is what we're looking at. This is the main fuse for the bike. It's a 60 amp and you can see it's a fairly large fuse and they have a protective cover for it. But there's no way that cover is going to go on there. The fuse is simply too tall. So can we swap it out? So with the key fob present, we will power on the bike, and once the security system disarms, we'll pull that fuse. Heard it beep, pull it. The bike is now powered off. We'll turn off the bike, so we'll turn the ignition off so that when we put the fuse back in, it doesn't automatically power back on. So here's the new fuse. It is significantly shorter than the one that came with the bike. Both are JCase 60 amp. We'll put the new fuse in with the numbers up. You can hear the security system beep. So the bike is now back online. We'll turn the ignition on and give it a test. And the bike boots up with no issues. There's no heat or anything with the fuse. I think we're going to be just fine. But look at this. This cover now securely fits over that fuse. Just like it was designed for, huh? So I'll keep the old one with me while I'm riding, just in case. Plus, not a bad idea to have a spare. But it's crazy that Harley included this taller fuse when clearly they designed the fuse box for the lower profile. Not sure, but it was great to swap it out and a great video to share with you. All links will be in the description if you want to check them out. Otherwise, we'll see you next time in the Friction Zone.